Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. As I told you earlier, this month marks the beginning of all the auspicious festivals to come, and the Fridays of this month Adi are especially important, and we make some Payasam as Naivedya. So today is a beginner special. I am going to show you how to make a very simple and easy Payasam and Vadai using Aval. Aval is Poha. So we'll have an Aval Payasam or Poha Payasam and Aval Vadai or Poha Vadai, and you can see how easy and quick it is to make this. For the Payasam, I have taken half liter of milk and we'll allow it to boil. Here I have about half a cup of Poha. This is medium Poha. You can just wash it and keep it ready. As the milk starts boiling, just collect all the cream and bring it to the center. Over a low flame, boil it a little bit more till it slightly thickens. When it has thickened slightly, add in about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Again mix well. Next add in this washed and drained poha to it and allow this to cook again just for about 4 or 5 minutes till it becomes nice and creamy. See, when the milk is nice, thick and creamy, now I am adding a little bit of cardamom powder and a few strands of saffron to this. Now we can switch it off, and finally I am topping it up with some mixed dry fruits. Whatever you have, badam, pista, cashew, raisins, you can add to it. So our creamy and tasty Poha Payasam or Aval Payasam is ready in just about less than 10 minutes, I would say. Now we can keep this aside. Next we will make Poha Vadai or Aval Vadai. For this I have taken 2 cups of Poha. This is the medium Poha. First we will wash it and bring it back. I have washed the poha. Now I am just adding enough water to cover the poha, say about 1 cup of water, and I leave it like this for about 15 minutes. Now let's open this and see. See, our poha has soaked well. You can see how soft it has become. And there is no water remaining. It has absorbed all the water. That is important. There should not be any excess water. Just bring everything together. Here I have a small piece of ginger grated, 2 green chillies chopped, few coriander leaves and some curry leaves. We will add all these here. A little bit of hing and also some salt to taste. Now just with your fingers you can mash the soaked poha. It gets very soft, mashed well, and bring it all together. Here I have 1/4 cup of curd, that is dahi, homemade curd. Just add this. Also don't add too much, otherwise you may not be able to shape the vadas. See, it has all come together as like a vadai dough. Now we can start shaping this. Now just wet your palms, clean washed hands, wet your palms and take out a small piece of this, a small ball of this dough, say a large lemon size ball of the dough like this, and first we will shape it out. See, when the aval, the poha is mashed well and soft, it is easy to shape it out. Just press it down, give it a nice shape, and with your finger just make a hole in the center. Just shape the edges again, and we'll keep it ready. I'll show you one more. So just like this you shape all the vadais and keep it ready for frying. Heat the oil well, then just reduce it to medium heat and gently slide in the vadais into the oil. Just add one or two at a time and fry it. Don't put in the ladle immediately, wait for a few minutes and then gently flip it over. When the bubbling reduces a little bit and the vadais get a lovely golden color like this, carefully drain it out from the oil. Likewise, fry the remaining vadais also. See, our last batch of vadais is also fried to a lovely golden color, done and ready. Now we can switch it off. Our poha vadais are all done and ready. Absolutely crisp. I can show you one how crisp it is. Can you hear that? And I can even open it and show you. Nice and crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. Today I have not used any onions while making this vadai batter, but on other days if you just want to make it like a tea time snack, you can finely chop some onions and add it to the batter along with all the other coriander leaves, curry leaves, ginger, green chillies. Mix it and shape it into vadais and deep fry. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea or coffee. It will be ready in no time at all. And if you are not able to make the whole, don't worry, you just make it as a flat vadai like the chana dal vadai. Fry it and use it too. It will retain its crispiness for a few hours, but it tastes best when fresh. So, and it doesn't take much time. So if you are having other preparations to do, you want to make both the payasam and the vadai together, one tip would be to first soak for the vadai. So in those 15 minutes you can finish making the payasam and then fry the vadai and your work will be done very quickly. Just a little bit of planning, that's all. Thank you for watching the video. I hope especially beginners will find this very useful. And please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.